welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick show and tell of the new, well, it's not new, it's just been out of stock for a very long time, the ItsMyRayeRaye Palette. And I also picked up her liquid lipstick and the lip gloss from her line with BH Cosmetics. I haven't had the chance to play with the ItsMyRayeRaye palette yet, but I tried the bronzer, the contour powder. Do you see that? It's like the perfect highlighting, the perfect contour shade. And you can build it up as much as you want. Look at that. It just blends out so smoothly. It's like the perfect contour powder. I cannot wait to play in some of these shades. I'm going to swatch the contour powder, and the name of that one is, contour powder name is Brownie Bite. And it just looks like a deep chocolate color. And like a highlighting powder is called Mocha. It's just this shade right here. I'm gonna dust a little bit under my eyes. See how it looks. Ew, it's so smooth and creamy. This is really pretty. I've had this palette for a couple of weeks and I haven't did a video on it yet. It's really pretty. I'm loving this. And the next highlighter shade, if you're like more lighter than me, it is Chai. Like a creamy, buttery yellow color. Like a buttery ivory color. They're really creamy in the pan. And it looks like this. That's the bottom three shades right here. And then I'm going to do the top row also. So the first highlighter is Moonlight. It's like an ivory white color in the pan, but when you pick it up, it has like a green shift to it. And oh my god, what the? When you rub it on your hand, it looks like the Rihanna highlighter in Trophy Wife. That is so crazy that it looks like that. That's crazy. And the next highlighter shade is Radiant. And the next one is Radiant. It's like a pink gold dual chrome. It's like pink with a gold shift under it. Let me turn this down some. I'm watching YouTube videos while I make a YouTube video. And my girl Aisha just uploaded a new video, so I wanted to watch it. And the next highlighter is like a, for like women of color, it's called French Toast. This would be a beautiful eyeshadow shade. All of these would. And that's French Toast right there. They're so creamy. I want to swatch a few shades of the eyeshadows. The color Angel in the eyeshadow palette and the highlighter Moonlight look kind of similar, so I'm going to swatch them next to each other. In the pan, it doesn't come out gold. It looks more frosty white. But they look so much the same. Oh. Okay, let me swatch the other one. So this color here is the eyeshadow in Angel. And then this one is the highlighter in Moonlight. They are really similar in shades. That is so crazy. So, and I'm going to swatch the shade Tiffany. It's like a pink frosty cranberry shade. And that is the shade right there. That'll be beautiful on your eyes. And I'm going to swatch this fuchsia pink color. It's called Friday. That is the shade Friday right there. And the palette is more of a deeper fuchsia. And when you swatch it, it comes out a bit brighter and it's really beautiful. The rest of the shades in the palette are more of, let me see. The rest of them is more like the neutral shades that you can use as your transition or all over eyelid color. And you can use the dark shades in the corner and the purple to smoke out the look. That'll be so beautiful. And I also want to swatch the lippies that I picked up. I had to order the palette from Ulta's website because the BH Cosmetics site was out of them for the longest. And then I ordered the lippies from the BH Cosmetics site. And I think they were on sale for like $8 or $9. So this is ItsMyRayeRaye. Which one is this? This is her liquid lipstick. They're all the same shade, they just have different finishes. So the liquid lipstick, I tried these a few times. They smell like cake mix. This is the pink liquid lipstick, and it's a little thin, so you might have to like build the shade up because it's kind of thin on my lips. And then the liquid, this is the lip gloss. Is this the lip gloss or the liquid lipstick? Yeah, the lip gloss is it seems like it's a little bit lighter. And it's a little thin also. So this is the ItsMyRayeRaye Lip Gloss. And this is my ItsMyRayeRaye Liquid Lipstick. But I tried them both before and I actually love them. And I use it with a brown liner. Let me try it on for you. For the perfect sunscreen, but this is definitely doing it for me right now. But when I do find like a perfect, at least like top 5 sunscreens, I'm gonna do a video on that very soon. This one's really great in case you were wondering. See, it goes on really thin. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. See? And I picked this up. Actually, I got a sample of it at Sephora. They always give me the freaking samples. I had like a little sample of it and I finished the entire thing and I loved it so much I went out and bought it. So I kind of just let it dry down a bit before I add, see? It's really patchy, but it's a beautiful shade and it feels good on your lips. So I would just let this one dry down and then I will add another layer. But I always make sure I moisturize my lips before because you have to add so many layers of the lipstick to make it work. So I just let that dry down a little bit. See, now once you do the first layer, you let it dry down. It's way better. So I'm gonna add a little bit more liner. Very expensive, but again, you're getting a percentage off. Actually, Bobbi Brown was having their friends and family sale. It might still be going on by the time you guys are watching this. You don't have to use a deep liner like I am, but this is the shade that I like to use. You can use it as a base for your makeup, so that's kind of what I usually do. Sometimes even when I'm not wearing makeup and my face just feels really dry, I will put this on and it just like instantly plumps the skin. It has like see, it's breaking up already right here on my lips. So it's like you have to put it on and not rub them together. Like, you have to really let it sit there for a second. I'm going to try to blend it with a brush. I'm trying to blend it with a brush. Yeah, that didn't do it any better. I feel like if I wear this with something under it, like another liquid lipstick, and then put this on top. But I love the freaking shade. It's so beautiful. I really literally love this shade. So that's why I just make it work. I'm sorry, I'm watching this. I'm watching Aisha's Sephora spring sale recommendations. But it takes a bit finessing to get this to work, but once it's on, look at this. You cannot tell me this is not fire. And people think women of color cannot wear colorful lipstick, but look at this. I'm going to try to put some of the lip gloss on top.
I have kind of like a primer water type thing to share with you guys. I guess this could kind of be skincare as well. But this is the Smashbox Photo Finish primer water, and as you can see, like I am almost out of it.
When you use them both together,
I don't know. For a while I was like, this is such a
they're freaking amazing.
But it just feels so nice on the skin. I really like this sprayer, like when it decides to work. Like it has such a nice spray.
I'm sorry if you guys can hear that.
Like, I just really, really like this primer. So if you're thinking of getting this, I would recommend it. Smashbox is known for having a lot of silicones in their primers, especially the ones that they're most famous for. I'm kind of allergic to those. Like, my skin does not like it. But this is silicone free, it's alcohol free, and oil free.
Alrighty.
Moving on to brows.
I want to try one of the eyeshadows on my lids really quick. Since I already have on something, but I want to try one that's close to the shade that I'm already wearing. Let's see. I want to use the shade. I don't want Frosty. I'm going to use the shade Spice. It's really pigmented.
My Tarte waterproof brow pencil because I love that stuff. I'm trying to stay away from Tarte. But this is precisely my brow pencil by Benefit, and I use the shade number 4. I personally like using brow.
Look at that. This is so pretty. What have I been waiting for?
Super, super thin. Just really on it is really nice as well. This is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and a lot of you guys recommended that I try this for a good reason. It is amazing. It truly is.
This is so beautiful. I'm really up for doing a whole freaking look. I'm going to use the color Control Freak in my crease just to blend this out.
Like my dark circles, but it doesn't look like there's makeup on the skin. Like it looks very natural. So I use the shade Amon for the most part, and then I also
Yes. So I use the shades on my eyelid. I use this color right here, Control Freak, and then this color right here, which is Spice. No, I use Spice. No, yeah, I use Spice on my lid and Control Freak in my crease. And I love how it turns out. I cannot wait to do a whole look with this. But my favorite from this line is freaking everything. Let me put on some highlighter, even though I already have on enough. Oh my God. Do you see that? All I did was just barely tapped it into there. and this is what I got. This is freaking crazy. Wow. ItsMyRayeRaye was, her line was coming to slay. This is so insane. Let me buff it out a little bit. Oh my Jesus. I don't even know what else to say, but I'm in love. I can't believe it took me so long to even try the line. I just had so much other stuff that I've picked up and I wanted to do like a full review, but I was going to wait and do a review in the eyes and everything, but this is better. I highly recommend this complete collection. I actually want to pick up the lipstick also. I think they're like $8 or $9 on the BH Cosmetics site, and the palette I think is like $24.99, but they're always on sale. Even if you catch them on a regular price and not a sale, they're completely affordable and they're amazing, and the lipstick smells like cake. Ah, my Jesus Christ. That's the liquid lipstick. Let me see if the lip gloss smells the same. No, it's like a slight it's like a slight difference in scent, but it's freaking amazing. But that's my little spill on my ItsMyRayeRaye little collection that I picked up. I just couldn't wait to get them, and I wanted to support her. Also, I know that something's on my lip. I know it's been out for a while, but I wanted to, you know, do my little spill on it and show that it does work on women of color. And I'm all over here looking like a freaking disco ball with all these freaking highlighters and lipsticks on, but I love how it came out. But I just wanted to let you guys know about that collection. That if you didn't know about the lipsticks already, go ahead and pick them up and pick up the complete collection. She has a brush set also, and then she has the brush holder, and I think it's like $5.99. So on the ItsMyRayeRaye collection, if you want to see me do a full tutorial using any of the shades, the highlighters, anything, or do some looks from the collection, let me know and leave me a comment in the comment box. Please don't forget to subscribe to your girl, because my subscriptions is a little low, even though I just started, but still I'm trying to build up the fam over here and become a bigger family over here. So please remember to subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell at the bottom when you subscribe so you'll be notified of my next video. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you later.